Hello everyone, this is me, Abra Social Media Wala. So with another guest, with her name is Krista Adman. So hi sir, how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And how are you, Abrar?
I am doing
Can
good.
you?
I am fine, thank you. So my okay, yes. Okay. So sir, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Christer Edman. I am 66 years of age. I am from Sweden, and I am currently running a company called Kreman Innovation and have three brands. Chris the Coach, it's EK Trading, and the other one is not actually a brand, it's a non-profit organization, an Unbounded Life in Sweden. So it is three different websites I'm working on currently. And I have a background as a project manager and working as a coach and also IT specialist. I've been working as a business developer at Ericsson. IBM was the project management and also worked at a competence company called Lernia, and that was with people who are unemployed as a job coach and worked in 5 different prisons with inmates. I have logistics manager experience as well and also purchaser. So I've been working in many different job roles and industries. I'm working together with my wife from Pakistan, and we are actually doing the dual coaching. So we are coaching together. And also when we are creating the websites, especially the EK Trading, that is the brand, the latest brand we are working on.
Okay. So my first question is, how do you define social media in the context of digital communication?
For the first, I would say it's an interactive digital platform. So social media is about communication, first of all, and it's about people. It's not about the tool, because then I say digital media, because that is important to do the definition between them. It's social interaction between people using the platforms, different kind of platforms. So that is important.
Okay, so my second question is, what are the core difference between social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok?
Yeah, if you take Facebook, for example, that is the personal communication mainly
Sir,
between
your mic is
people.
muted. Can you please open your mouth, mic?
Is it working now? Is it working
Sir,
now?
your voice is not coming.
Okay, I try this instead. Is it coming now? Can you hear me
No,
now?
I can't hear you.
Because can you hear me now?
No, no, no. I can't hear
Because
you.
yeah, I didn't touch anything. That is why it's
Can
so
you please
strange. I will
remove
see if
your
I can.
hand free?
Yeah, I will check the audio settings again here and see if it is working. Um, it looks like it is working because I'm getting the bars. It's going up and down when I'm speaking. But can't you hear me now?
So, sir, my next question is, what are the core difference between social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok?
Yeah, I should say the main difference between them or platform is more for personal use. Like you are there with your personal, with your face, and that is the most important. And compared to Instagram, that is more graphical. You are sharing like pictures, what you are doing, if you are, yeah, want to share the images. So that is more from sharing images and interact with people like that. And so it's more about storytelling, branding, and so on with Instagram. And LinkedIn, that is the professional network. That's the professional platform for a career, for telling about technical or your work or what you are interested in from a business and the professional perspective. And when you take TikTok, then it's instant video sharing live and like a fluent living platform where you have the most, I should say, young people. They adopted the TikTok very fast. So they are the generation set is the eager one to use TikTok. So that is also something to think about. It's very short form, very instant, no time for a lot of text and blah, blah, blah.
Okay, so my next question is, can you explain the role of social media in modern marketing strategy?
Yeah. If you're talking about social media as marketing strategy, it's about that you are working strategic with it and you are targeting specific target groups of people with and you need to have a brand awareness and understand the power of branding. And because when we talk about social media, I will go back to say digital media because we can't leave out AI and because AI is a big part of social media today, and you don't know if it's real things, you're real people, or if it is fake or manipulated. So that is so important to understand about, and it's about real marketing insights. And if you want to scale up today, then social media is the best way. Earlier, you were advertising and doing other things for actually reaching out and doing the sales.
Okay, so my next question is,
Yeah, I'm listening to your next question. The fourth question. Yeah.
sorry, sir, my internet connection. What are the key elements of a successful social media campaign?
Yeah, first of all, you need to have a clear objective. You must know why you are doing the campaign and have a purpose with it, and define which are the target groups or target group with your campaign. So that is so important to understand. And also that you have a key performance index tracking of the campaign so you can follow up and see what is working, what kind of engagement you are getting on the campaign you are running. I think you have a very slow, unstable internet, maybe. I'm not sure because sometimes it's like I am losing you. I'm also going to check my own. Do you think it's my network? I'm checking. I have like five. I will check fast now because I think it's so disturbing when it is not working. So I'm going to check now my speed, internet speed, because I used to do that always when those things happens because I want to know if it's something wrong on my internet speed. Then I always contact the internet provider. I can tell you my speed is now. The download speed is around 20 megabits per second, so that is quite fast. And that should be okay without any problem. and the upload is around 7. So that is the current situation for me. So
Sorry, sir, my internet connection is not stable.
yeah, I checked my internet speed and it is I checked it and it was upload, it was like 20 and download around 7. So I think that was okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, right. So, yeah, yeah, you are right. So, my next question is, how does audience engagement differ across various platforms?
Oh, I should say that is a big difference because on Facebook it's like comments and your shares, and that is what is dominating. But if you go to Instagram, that is like visual likes and story interactions. Then you are more like another kind of interaction on Instagram. And sometimes I have noticed also on Instagram, it's much easier to get attention from the audience than Facebook. And Facebook's algorithms are hindering so much, so it's much harder to reach out on Facebook than it is on Instagram. So that is one notice I have done. And also LinkedIn, there are the more professional discussions and longer commentaries, and you have people more professional connection, like not just for enjoy the time or so. They are more direct to the work or some kind of technical questions, or they want to share something. They share, yeah, information from other sources, and also inviting to webinars directed to special topics as well. So it's a business platform more or less. And TikTok, there are the quick interactions, and it's very trendy. So you never know something is happening, and there are millions of attention to that post. But next day, the same person posting something and no interaction or interest at all. So then it's gone. It's like working like this, very instant.
Okay, so my next question is, what steps do you follow when creating a social media strategy for a brand?
Yeah, for the first, it's so important to know, do the business analysis, to know about the audience and the research and what kind of purpose it is with with the strategy for the brand, and knowing the company behind the brand, and so they are like really know why they are on social media or why they want to do this and what is behind it. So because it's about communication, and if you're not clear with your communication and have a platform selection, you need to know which target group and be present on that platform for being successful. And you also need to have a content strategy, so you really know this is the content I want to produce. And you also must do it professionally. If you are, for example, having a campaign where you want to reach professional people, then you must have a professional presence and also the content professional. But if you're playing and doing with people and people who are just private consumers, then it's not so important to be that professional, but you must attract them in one or another way, which talks to their hearts, and they want to interact with you, engage, and buy.
Okay, thank you so much. So my next question is, how do you measure ROI, return on investment, in social media marketing?
Yeah, that is, I should say, the most important, and that is the revenue. What is track the revenue contribution? That is so important that you really understand this is the campaign which is successful. This is what people are attracted to and want to interact and engaged in. And the conversion rates, what are you paying